Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday of February. Being as well it's the first Sunday, that means it's time for the free monthly giveaway. I'm going to go upstairs, let the computer pick a winner. I'll be back down here straight away. Right, the winner I've got is gifted but lazy. So all you have to do is send me an email, that's my address up there, and I'll get that person out to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway, absolutely free. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is obviously watch this video, which you're supposedly doing now. Like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and in the video comments, you must write in the comment box, the comment must be wrote like this: 2024 giveaway 2. That's all you've got to do. You can put any comment you want as long as it contains that phrase: 2024 giveaway 2. My computer will pick that out and we'll get another winner next week. I'm going to show the prizes for next month's draw straight away. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. We've got a Doubleboost Twisted Engineering cup printed by my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. Got a nice little deburring tool also from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. Set of Cleveland drills. People think I get these free. I don't. I've got a bastard things, but they really are a good quality general engineering drill. There's a nice little square there. I'm not sure where it come from. I've got 2 or 3 the same size, and you can basically only use one at once. So they're the prizes for next month's giveaway. Certainly well worth entering.